How to lock WhatsApp chat. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can lock your WhatsApp chat. So the first step is go ahead and open your WhatsApp. When you open your WhatsApp, I want you to click on the person you want to lock this chat. So for example, I want to lock this person chat. I can go ahead and open it. When you open it, I want you to click on the name or the profile icon showing above the screen. So go ahead and click that. When you click that, I want you to scroll a little bit. When you scroll a little bit, you're going to be seeing where it says chat lock, as you can see, guys. So just go ahead and click on that. So when you click on that, you're going to just go ahead and toggle this off. So as you can see, this chat will be locked with my Face ID. So if you're using an Android, you can go ahead and follow the same step and you lock it with your thumbprint or Face ID. So this step works for both Android and iOS users. So just go ahead and toggle this on. When you toggle this on, as you can see, guys, this chat is now locked. You can find the lock. You can find lock chat in. This is how you can lock your chat. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.